Hi guys, for today's video is check natin ang email sa updated ng shipment ng ating Starlink kit. So ayun guys, nakita mo naman guys na ayun na yung order natin. So delivery timeline updated. So June 23 Sunday daw to Thursday June 27 yung delivery na estimated delivery ng ating Starlink kit. So pagkatapos yan guys, i-view natin ang ating order. So i-view natin para makita natin ang summary. So ayan guys, mapunta tayo automatic kay starlink.com. So ito yung official website ng Starlink guys. So ayan guys, makakita mo yung complete name natin at saka yung account number. So wala tayong babayaran kasi na full paid na natin. Nakalagay yung delivery address dyan, mobile number at saka yung Gmail account na ginamit natin guys. So ayun guys, so ayan yung order natin, summary. Estimated shipment is June 23 to 27. So ang shipment natin. So i-view natin yung order guys para mapay natin ang summary. So ayan guys, June 15 natin in-order yung ating Starlink. Tapos yung may order number tayo. Yung order status is preparing for shipment. Tapos estimated ship date is June 23 to 27. So ang shipping address naman nakalagay din dito. Katapos guys, after 4 days may na-receive na tayong bagong email guys na nag-update na naman yung ship ng ating Starlink. So ayan guys, i-click natin ang ating yung Track Airship International Package View. So ang ginamit pala nila na logistic guys is Airspeed International. So ayan ang order number mo. So i-click natin yung ano guys, yung Airspeed na link. Ayan guys, click natin tong Track Airspeed International Package View Order. So ayun guys, nakita natin yung airspeed. Ayun na yung details guys. So date, tapos booking date, tapos reference ID, destination. Yun lang guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.